Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we will be going over how to install the Cameo Ubuntu theme. Now, before we get started, Cameo Ubuntu definitely works best on GNOME and even if you're using Ubuntu, but you can do it on any distribution. You can even do it on XFCE, though it may look a little different. But let's get started. So to start off, head over to the link here, and once we're at the link, we can go to the file section and we can download Cameo Ubuntu. Now once we've downloaded it, we can open up a terminal and move into the downloads folder. Now from here we can just extract what we downloaded. Now it's extracted, we can move down to the installation instructions. So you can do single user or you can do system wide. I'm going to do single user. So I'm going to create my themes folder like so. Then I'm going to move into the downloads directory, just make sure that I'm there. And then all I got to do is move Cameo into, like the command here, it'll move everything in there into the themes directory. Now we can run the ls command here and we can see Cameo Ubuntu is in here. So once that's done, we can open up the appearance settings. And we go to, we can see Cameo Ubuntu Lite and Cameo Ubuntu. Now I switched to this, now I'm using Cameo Ubuntu. And as I said, it's going to look a little different if you're using a desktop environment that is not GNOME, because, you know, it's targeted towards the GNOME desktop, but, you know, it still looks nice. So I definitely need to modify what icons I'm using. But let's see. But you still got the orange tints and the orange stuff that's going on with Ubuntu and the little gray that we've got here. So that's how you install the that's how you install the Cameo Ubuntu theme. I get those mixed up sometimes. If you want to know more, check out the link in the description. And like I said, if you're using GNOME and you're using Ubuntu and you want to freshen up your Ubuntu, I would check this out. Or if you're like me and you just like the color orange, it does look nice on other desktops. Just your results may vary. Things may look a little different depending on what you're using. But this is how you get Cameo Ubuntu working. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.